assembly instructions for Z-011 Slingshot. Now I've already set up one side just to simplify things for us. This is the front, this is the back. Now we have two steel sights for accuracy. What we do is we insert one on each side. Now we'll start with the right side. We take the gold screw and a hex screwdriver to tighten this. Fairly simple, very straightforward. Insert and tighten. This side is done. Now let's do the left side of the rubber band sling. So what you want to do is catch the rubber band between the three teeth, just like on this side. You don't want to go too deep. Fairly simple, fairly straightforward. Straighten the rubber band out. Insert. It's not going all the way through. Just loosen it up a bit more. I should slide right in. And once it catches, just tighten it. Now it should be fairly tight. You can also take a screwdriver and just tighten it for additional security. You don't want this thing flying off in your face. Then we take this piece and insert it. Just do the same thing as we did on the right side. Make sure it's lined up. Make sure you're not struggling and suffering like I am, but all part of the job. Now, once it's in there, tighten that up a bit, reinsert, tighten. Now, you can add the strings in the mini holes for lighting and cut. Now, what we recommend is doing every other hole with the red and likewise with the green. That's it.